Want to smash that subscribe button, sneakerheads. I know you watching the video. Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know. Going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to
Yes,
do.
sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got the updates and recaps. I'm going to start off with the updates. Looks like Yeezy's back
He's
for 2024.
hold on. Special K back.
Yes, sir. He's back, baby.
Special K is back. Yes, sir.
So he's releasing his infamous sock shoe called the Yeezy Pod. Is now available for pre-order. This does come at a retail price of $200. You can go directly right now to Yeezy.com to order these. They come in sizes 1, 2, and 3. I'm not sure what that means, but maybe once you go to Yeezy.com, you'll find more information there. But again, sneakerheads, if you want these, to Yeezy.com and go ahead and order you some Yeezy Pods. So this is again that sock shoe. It does come in all black, so only time will tell if these do good or not. But you know, Yeezy does have a lot of fans out there. Look like he might be dropping an album with that too. Not sure if they're gonna have any merch. It's not. I see some. He's calling them vulture pants for $120, and then looks like they got some a T-shirt to go along with it for $100, and then he got some vulture shorts. That's what they call them. The vulture box tee. Again, the sizes are coming 1, 2, and 3. 1 is the extra small to small. Size 2 is medium to large, and size 3 is large to extra large. So I'm not sure how these are going to fit on you, but you want these, try these at your own risk. And for the shoes, I guess because the material stretches, I guess you don't need that many sizes. So the shoes only come in 3 sizes. The size 1 is 6 in men's and under. Size 2 is size 7 through 9.5, and size 3 is 10 to 13. So I guess if you wear size 14 and above, you're out.
Hey, all sizes fits all sizes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know, hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. So moving on to the Jordan recaps. We didn't have any Jordans that week. The week of the 24th through the 30th, the week of Christmas. But we did have those Nike Zoom Kobe's come out. Kobe 4 Procho. How did they do, my brother?
Hey, sold out. So
Yes.
hey, round of applause. Round of applause. Hey, Kobe, that Kobe brand all sold out, came out on the 27th, like my brother mentioned. It's the gift of Mamba, right? Asking price for those was $180. All sizes, according to Nike.com, did sell out. So nice work there. That was the only shoe.
Yes, sir.
That was the only shoe that dropped that week.
So let us know in the comments, sneakerheads, was you able to cop those or not?
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.